Hello guys, it's Martin here on a very windy day here at Blackpool Automart, so hopefully you can hear me. As you can see from the flags, it's being a seaside resort, we tend to get a lot of wind here, pardon the expression. Anyway, back to the car. We've got a lovely Audi TT, just landed in stock yesterday actually, so we've had it cleaned and here it is for you. It's a stunning looking car. This 65 plate, so it's 6 years old, but by gosh, it's nice and clean. I did a swooper of the car before doing the video and I'm really struggling to find any faults on this car at all. The wheels are curb free, no marks on any of the wheels, no scuffs on any of the corners, which is always a suspect place, bumper corners, nothing at all. It's got headlight washers, as you can see, but what a lovely looking car this is. Twin exhaust out the back. There is a spoiler here on the boot that does, you can make it work when you're driving at certain speeds. That's the boot. Decent sized boot for a sport, so to speak. Right, let's get inside the car now because it's getting very windy here. Just open her up. Okay, let's jump inside. A little bit dark in here, so the pictures might get a little bit grainy. It's quite a dark day today outside. There's the mileage of the vehicle currently, 35,996. It's quite cool outside. There you go, 14 degrees. It's a push button start. I've got the keys in my pocket, so I'll just put the clutch in, press the button, and she fires up.
Going on extended leave.
And so does the radio, which is a schoolboy error from me. I'll just turn that down, I do apologise. Wow, plenty of fuel in this car. That's unusual. Very unusual. Anyway, you've got different views of your speedos and stuff like that with your I'll just it's not got nav, this car, just so you know. A lot of people say, has it got nav? I'm not sure if Audi do something that they can plug in a little box or something like Mercedes do to put nav, because if you did put nav on this it would go over the full dash. But I know it's a £1,500 option, this, when you buy the car new. You get what's called a virtual cockpit, and all the dash turns into the navigation. But obviously this car hasn't got it, which is not the end of the world, but hence the price. That's the little switch I was talking to you about the lifting the spoiler at the back, if you wanted to. But it does operate that. I think when you go over 70 miles an hour or something like that, or 65, the spoiler opens. Lifts up itself, so it just pulls the back of the car down slightly. It's all to do with aerodynamics. Electric windows, electric mirrors, as you'd expect. She's a 6-speed manual. Nice brushed aluminium centre console. And then you've got your menu. If you press your menu button down here, it changes all this. And I'm just using this circular toggle here to turn, and it turns everything round on here, so you can put your Bluetooth in and that sort of thing, connect mobile phone. It's all very straightforward. You've got your DAB radio, you've got your different sounds, things about the car, all the fuel economy that it might be under, date and time. But yeah, nice car this. I must admit, I do like my Audis. It is very clean, this car, and I'm very surprised it's got a full tank of fuel in it. That's just not heard of. It's got the flat bottom steering wheel. Comes with 2 new style keys. These are the new style of Audi keys, where it's got the boot opening pop. It's not electric tailgate, but it pops it and you can just lift it up. It's got a full book pack and it's got full history as well. We'll be servicing the car at our Honda workshops over there. Sorry, our Seat dealerships. Workshops, you can't see them, they're just on the other side of those cars. They'll be servicing this car prior to it leaving, and MOTing it if it's got less than 9 months on it. Seat being part of the VAG Volkswagen Audi group, so our Seat technicians are fully Vauxhall trained. Fully Volkswagen and Audi and Seat trained, so no dramas there. It's got half leather and half Alcantara, which is the suede finish on the seats. They're all in very good order. Cup holder there in the middle, electronic handbrake, Got your radio and your media and your telephone and your nav if it's fitted. Looks like you can do a conversion on this because it's there. You've got different driver selects here. You can have different drive modes, dynamic, says it there, doesn't it? Dynamic, auto, comfort, efficiency, motorway or individual. Just makes the car rev a little bit harder, I think, when you put it into a dynamic mode. It growls a little bit more. So that's entirely up to yourselves. Most people just drive them on the comfort mode. So there you go. Right, we'll just finish off outside. I'll turn the car off, which you'll just do by pressing this button here. Everything goes off. Just lock the car. And there you go. That's the Audi TT on a 65 plate. Lovely miles. Nice spec, just missing the nav, but like I say, that could possibly be done if it's something you need. It's got the lovely little thin spoiler at the back that operates manually inside the car or when you get over a certain speed. It'll be serviced and MOT by our SEAT technicians before it leaves us. So if you need any more information on this car, by all means give me a call. My name's Martin. I'm the sales manager here. You can get me on 01253 600 900. If you want any finance packages, give us a call. We can give you a monthly payment on this car, and we can take your old car in Part-Ex. Even if it's got money owing on it as well, we can settle that for you. And if you want the car delivering, which most people do now, it's a charge of just £99 and it's anywhere in the UK. So just give us a call if you need any more videos, any more pictures of the car. We're open 7 days a week. My name's Martin. It's been my pleasure bringing you this lovely Audi TT today. You can get me on 01253 600 900. Option 4 is Automart. Take care, guys. Stay safe. Speak soon. Bye for now.